In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero new invoicing, how to add a new line, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to insert an extra item to your invoice and place it where you want, quickly and confidently. Start by signing in to your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the main navigation and head to Sales. This is where all your customer billing lives. Inside Sales, open Invoices to see your list of drafts, awaiting approval, and any that have already been sent. From here, choose New Invoice to create a fresh one. On the invoice screen, fill in the key details so your line items calculate correctly. Choose the contact or customer, add an invoice date and due date, and include a clear reference or description if you use one. These fields help you and your customer identify what the bill is for at a glance, and they keep your aging reports accurate. Now, in the items section, the quickest way to add another line is simply to click into any field on the last line of your invoice. As soon as you do, Xero automatically creates a new blank line beneath it. This saves you from hunting for an add button and keeps you moving. With the blank line created, you can stop filling it out. If you use Xero inventory or predefined items, click into the item field and select the relevant product or service. For example, you might choose something like development work, developer on-site per day. Selecting a saved item will pull in its default description, account code, and price, which you can still adjust. If you don't use saved items, just type a clear description, then set the quantity, unit price, and the correct tax rate so totals calculate properly. If the new line appears at the bottom but needs to sit higher in the list, use the 6-dot drag handle at the left of the line. Click and hold those dots, then drag the line up or down to reorder it among your other items. Release the mouse when the line is in the spot that makes the most sense for your customer's reading flow. Often grouping similar services together improves clarity. If you don't see the drag handle, make sure your cursor is over the left edge of the line. That's all there is to it. You've added a new line by clicking into the last row, filled it with the right details or a saved item, and used the 6-dot handle to place it exactly where you want. This simple workflow keeps your invoices tidy, clear, and professional.